Welcome to this QuickBooks 2019 tutorial on how to record reimbursement to the company for personal expenses. So you are probably going to run into this situation if you are a business owner or you do the books for other companies. And so what I'm talking about in this video, and this was a result of a question from a member I got yesterday actually. And this is when, the business owner uses a company credit card or the company checking account for some personal expense, whether it's on purpose, whether it's on accident, whatever the case may be. And then they want to reimburse the company for that expense. Okay. So I want to show you how to record that in here, and it's pretty straightforward. So let's say, and this is going to be the same whether they, it's a personal credit card charge or they use, the checking account and it's just a debit card transaction or something like that. So let's take the case where it's a credit card charge. Okay, so you're going to go to banking and let's say that you're entering credit card charges. You may import these. Let's see, let me create a valid credit card. Okay, this is a sample file, so I want to make sure that we'll say Capital One. Okay, so we've got our credit card set up. We've got our purchase. We're going to say that this was to, I don't know, let's say Home Depot. Okay, so it's not set up, so we're going to do a quick ad for this vendor because we don't need all the contact information for Home Depot. So we're going to say that this was $125, okay? So they went to Home Depot, they made a personal charge, they pulled out the wrong credit card, they used the business credit card, and they made a charge for $125, okay? So this is a personal expense. Now, here's the important thing, okay? So when you code this to an account, all right, you can do one of two things. You can put it to pretty much any expense account that you want to, okay? What I like to do, or you can put it to a shareholder distribution account. If they're not going to reimburse the company, put it to shareholder distributions. But if they are going to, okay, you can put it to really any account you want to. We're going to put it to miscellaneous expense, and I'll explain why here in just a second. Okay, so we're going to hit save and close. So now we've entered this credit card charge, and right now it's an expense on the books. Okay. But now they're going to write a check and they're going to reimburse the company. So you need to go deposit this check. All right, so we're going to go to banking. We're going to say make deposits. Okay, so they have given us this. We're going to make sure it's the right account. Okay, so they've given us this check. All right, so you can say receive from, you're going to put in their name. All right, I don't have any other names in here right now. So let's say receive from, you're going to put in their name, from account. This is the important part. You want to put it to the exact same account that you chose when you entered the expense. All right, so we're going to say from miscellaneous expense, and we're going to say reimbursement of personal money spent. Okay, you can put in the check number. All right, payment method, we're going to say check. And we're going to say $125, okay? So in the previous example, if we would have chosen shareholder draws, I would say put it to the exact same account. And this is why I said when you enter that charge, it doesn't matter, okay? If they are reimbursing it, it doesn't matter because we're going to put it to the exact same account. And what's going to happen is it's going to wash through there. So it's going to show an expense and a deposit. And so those two amounts will net to zero, all right? Now, again, if they're not going to reimburse, in general, put it to shareholder distributions if it's a personal expense, if it's the owner doing this. Okay, so in this case, we put it to miscellaneous expense. We're going to make the deposit to miscellaneous expense. All right, so we're going to hit save and close. So if I go and I pull up a profit and loss statement, we're going to say profit and loss standard. Okay, you're going to see here, September 1st through the 6th, miscellaneous expense is 0. When I double click on this, you're going to see the expense coming in on the credit card and then the Bank of America, the deposit to Bank of America checking for $125. Okay, so it washes to 0. Okay, so that's how you're going to record the reimbursement to the company for personal expenses. Fairly straightforward, just a couple of things to keep in mind. If you have any questions whatsoever, any comments, feel free to leave them below on the video. Also, head over, if you need to learn QuickBooks fast and you need support and you need your questions answered, head to the QuickBooks University. It's the only place you're going to get affordable tutorials that teach you everything you need to know about QuickBooks, plus get your personal questions answered by me. Like I said, this video was a result of a question I got from a member, so I wanted to put this out there. Head over there now, qbuniversity.org.